Dear students, in your book, there is land degradation and conservation heading given. I will send you 2 pics in which I have marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points how for the question how the land is degraded, and for the question how the land can be conserved or protected. I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you all do not understand, just go through this. First point will start from mining. Second will start from MP and Maharashtra point. Third will start from in the states of Punjab. Fourth will start from the mineral processing, and fifth will start from in recent year. I'll send you the pic for this answer. The question is how the land is degraded. If you all do not understand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so I have written the first letter of all the points. Next question is how the land can be conserved. The first point starts from afforestation. Please write the full sentences. This is just to give an idea from where the points have to be started. Second point is starting from planting. Third point is starting from stabilization. Fourth point is starting from proper management, and fifth point is starting from proper discharge. I'll send you both the pics. Please write it in your copy. Now, the next thing which is required is soil. Soil as a resource. The first resource we have done land. We have completely done that how the land is distributed, how land can be sustained, how land is degraded, what are the uses of land, fallow land, net sown area, all the things. Please learn land properly. Coming towards the second resource, we'll come to as a soil as a resource. There is a diagram given of a soil profile which you have studied in the junior classes. Just go through this. It is not that important, but only this much you should know that soil is a renewable resource. For today's students, you have only to complete these 2 points so that the land is completed. Do write it, do mark it in your book because all those points are important, and in board examination, the questions comes for how the land is degraded or how the land can be conserved, and it is really very important. Please complete the notes on land and learn the land as a resource completely. Tomorrow we will be starting about soil, how soil is used. You just go through it and go through the diagram of soil profile. Thank you and have a nice day.